In this support video, we'll walk you through how to change your password in a few easy steps. First, open the app and select Resources at the bottom right of your screen. Then tap Change Password from the options list. You'll need to type in your current password, then enter the new password you want to use. To confirm it, re-enter your new password in the provided field. If you'd like to double-check, you can select Show Password. Once everything looks good, just hit Submit, and your password will be updated. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. On the login page, select Forgot Password. You'll need to enter your username, select Next, and type in your 4-digit PIN. Then, enter a new password of your choice and hit Next again. Your password will be successfully updated. Thanks for watching. For more help, feel free to check out our other support videos.